That rumbling in your stomach isn't embarrassment, it's science. Your stomach growls because of a process called migrating motor complex waves of muscle contractions that clean your digestive system between meals. When your stomach is empty, those contractions echo like drums in an empty hallway, mixing leftover air and fluids. That's the growl you hear. Interestingly, it doesn't just happen when you're hungry, it's always happening. You just hear it more loudly when there's no food to muffle the sound. So the next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, it's not begging for food, it's just doing maintenance. Follow Trivia Hive for more surprising science hidden in your everyday life.